God uses difficult experiences to form us. He breaks us to make us. Sometimes He has to shake us well before we are usable. He uses these experiences to fashion us into who He wants us to be or where we will be. The Bible calls them light affliction, 2 Corinthians 4:17. For a light affliction, which is but for a moment, worketh for us a far more exceeding and eternal weight of glory. So if you're going through something right now, it won't be for no reason. Chances are you eventually find some sort of benefit from the experience, even though it may not be obvious at the moment. My name is Nina, and this is Minute with Jesus.